How do you use it?
What do you mean how you use it? You're
You're
recording right
That's all
now.
these buttons there.
Well, this one like zooms in. That one zooms out. The bottom one zooms out. And then you go this way. I don't know what they do. I guess nothing. What are you doing?
How do you know what you're looking at?
You don't. You just assume that's pointing at you.
Assuming every day is.
No. That was such a cute kid. What happened?
I don't know. Say hi.
Hola. Hola.
Oh,
I was shaking.
thunder. How do you stop it?
You pushed her up.